A Sicilian Defense. Very well, Black King. I'll play by the book. But remember, I don't believe in psychology. I believe in good moves.
Oh, White King, we'll see how far your good moves take you. My army thrives in chaos.
Scouting ahead, Majesty. Their pawns are fortifying their position.
Fortify? Ha ha. I'm not here to hide. I'm here to pave the way for destruction.
Charge. Open the center and we'll see if they can handle the pressure.
Open the center, hey? You've only made things easier for my comrades.
Here I come, ready to challenge your center. Watch your back, white pieces.
Steady, troops. Don't let their antics distract you. Focus.
Majesty, their king's castle looks vulnerable. Shall I prepare an attack?
Oh, please, Bishop, you'll never reach me. My fortress will hold.
Pushing forward. Let's crack open their defenses.
Not so fast, little one. This is my territory now. Try me.
You've overextended, fool. Prepare for my strike. Let's see how you deal with my attack.
Attack? How quaint. I'm the magician's knight. I jump where I please.
Enough of your reckless chaos. Feel the weight of discipline.
Discipline? That's cute. Let me show you how we counterattack.
Clearing the battlefield, Majesty. Their lines are opening.
Your open lines? Oh, my Bishop, you've just given me more to work with. Watch closely.
Another victory. Our king's strategy is flawless.
Flawless, you say? Let's see if you can handle my counterattack.
I see your plans. Your king is exposed.
Exposed. Oh, sweetie, I'm not hiding. I'm leading the charge.
They're relentless. Watch their queen. She's dangerous.
Dangerous? No, White King. She's deadly.
They've overcomplicated the position. We can turn this around.
Overcomplicated? No, White King. This is where I thrive.
Victory for White. I've broken their defenses.
Broken defenses? Look again. Your king is already in my sights.
Cutting through their defenses. Stay sharp, comrades. Their king is within reach.
Ha ha, you talk too much, Queenie. Here comes the counterfire.
We'll create space for our troops, Majesty.
Space? I don't need space. I need chaos. Keep coming, little pawn.
Don't let their pieces regroup. I'll pin their defenses while you advance.
Pin me? How rude. Let me show you the true art of defense.
Not so fast, invaders. I'll block your path.
Block my path? Cute. I'll sweep you off the board.
Fine. Take the pawns. But you'll regret underestimating me. I've claimed the open file. Let's see how you respond.
We're holding the position. They're desperate for an opening.
Desperate? No, just patient. Let's see how you handle this diagonal.
Stalemate the center. Don't let them advance.
You can't stalemate chaos, dear king. My pieces are alive with possibilities.
This rook just won't leave me alone.
Never underestimate persistence, my friend. I'm here to stay.
We'll expand the queen's side, Majesty. We can still win this.
Expand? You're dreaming. I'm your worst nightmare.
Cutting through their ranks. Their king is vulnerable now.
Vulnerable? Hardly. I'm dancing through the flames.
Order him. He has nowhere to go.
I'll reach promotion and save the game.
Nice try, but I'm the one promoting today. Long live the magician.
Another sacrifice. Another gamble. I'll admit, Black King, your magic won this day.
Wow, thank you, White King. As I said before, there are two types of sacrifices, the correct ones and mine.